The Bölkow Bo 46 was a West German experimental helicopter developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s to test the innovative Derschmidt rotor system, a concept designed to overcome the aerodynamic limitations of traditional helicopter designs. Built by Bolkow under a Ministry of Defense contract, the Bo 46 aimed to achieve much higher flight speeds by mechanically balancing the forces acting on the rotor blades during rotation. Traditional helicopters face a critical speed limitation due to retreating blade stall and wave drag on advancing blades. As a helicopter moves forward, advancing blades experience increased relative airspeed, while retreating blades see a reduction. This creates significant asymmetry in lift, which limits speed and increases complexity in rotor design. Derschmidt's rotor system attempted to solve this by allowing each blade to rotate forward and backward around the hub in response to drag forces. This motion was synchronized mechanically to smooth out airspeed variations experienced by the blades, allowing for higher rotor RPM without triggering wave drag or stall. This design enabled the use of rigid rotors, eliminating many of the complex bearings and linkages of conventional systems. The Bo 46 featured a 5-bladed composite rotor powered by an 800-horsepower turbomeca turboshaft engine. The airframe was streamlined and constructed by SET. Initial wind tunnel tests indicated potential speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour, far beyond the capabilities of helicopters at the time. 3 prototypes were ordered. The Bo 46 flew for the first time on January 30, 1964, with its rotors locked. Flight testing revealed unexpected dynamic loads and rotor oscillations, requiring further complexity to resolve. While these issues were not inherent to the Derschmidt design, they reduced its practical appeal. During the same period, improvements in composite rotor blade technology allowed for stronger, lighter, and more efficient rotors using conventional designs, which narrowed the performance gap. Plans to install 2 turbomeca Marboré turbojets on the Bo 46 to enhance forward speed were eventually abandoned, though calculations showed speeds exceeding 400 kilometers per hour were possible. By 1966, the program was officially canceled, though research flights continued. The Derschmidt rotor, while mechanically ingenious, was deemed too complex for operational use. However, one lasting contribution of the Bo 46 was its use of fiberglass rotor blades, which were later adopted in the highly successful Bölkow Bo 105, setting a new standard in rotorcraft design. The Bo 46 remains a significant chapter in the pursuit of high-speed helicopter flight, highlighting the challenges of balancing lift, drag, and mechanical simplicity in rotorcraft engineering.